Hey, my friend, DK here. Welcome back to the channel in this video training series on exactly how to turn this $10 side hustle into, yes, my friend, a full-time income. It is 100% possible, but only if you get started and you actually plug in and do the work that I've been showing you step by step what to do right here in this training series and showing you everything that you get access to over $10,000 in free value just for activating your real, legitimate business for less than $10. Of course, at the time of this video, we're running a special promotion right now. So if you haven't gotten started yet, link in the description down below. Go ahead, go below this video, open up the description. You'll see the links in there. It'll say get started here. You can't miss it. So go ahead and do that now. Activate your spot for less than $10. There's really nothing to think about. You're not going to see this type of value and training and everything that you need to get making money online right now. You're not going to see this type of value anywhere. So this is obviously video number 6. If you have not gone through to the beginning, if you're not starting this video training series from the beginning, you're missing out on really great information. So please go back up here to the very first video and make sure that you watch this. You're going to watch these down. It says step 1, step 2, step 3. So this is step number 6, video number 6. Make sure, link in the description down below, that you start this training series from the beginning. Okay, now let's get into something that I am very, very excited about in this video. And this is such a monster nugget for you when you get on our team, when you're utilizing our team training system here, which, by the way, this system is everything you need. It's all of your sales funnels, your email marketing, the app, everything you need to start making money literally today. And you get access to this today for less than $10. Thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars in free value for less than 10 bucks. I mean, can't really beat that with a stick, can you? Nope. So I've gone through all these other things here, guys. In this video, we're going to talk about the bonuses section. And this is where, I mean, there's just so much training, hundreds and hundreds and hours of training for you to just take this skill, this craft, these things that you're learning and get even better. And something I was just sharing with my team the other day that I want to share with you right now, and this is really important that you understand this. Once you learn these skill sets, once you learn just the art of how to make money online, and really it just comes down to formulas. Marketing is just formulas. That's all it is. It's learning how to put out a piece of content in a very specific way. That's it. That's literally all it is. So whether it's a written post, an email, a short form video, a long form video, once you understand the formulas that go behind that video, and think about it, there was some type of hook that got you here to this video. So whether, yeah, maybe you happen to be subscribed to my channel, that's cool, and I appreciate you for that. But you got to realize, how did you get subscribed? How did you get to this point? There was some type of hook out there that led you here. That's marketing, my friend. And once you understand that, once you understand the psychology behind it and how it works, this is what I want you to understand in this moment. You and only you control the levels of your income. Nobody else. Not your boss, not your employer. No one except for you control the levels of your income. So if you're not making enough money, then friggin' do something about it. Take the skills and put them to use. Learn how to market, learn how to get out there and start sharing things online so you can start netting commissions and you can dictate the levels of your income. If you want to make $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month, as much as you want, it's entirely up to you. Just get rid of the excuses that you can't or you don't know how, because now, once you're here, once you've learned this, now you know how, and you can't use that excuse anymore. Gone are the days when you have technology right at your fingertips. You can no longer say, I don't know how to do something. It's the biggest bullshit excuse ever, because you have access to the internet at your fingertips and you can learn how to do anything you want. So for anyone or you to use the excuse of, I don't know how to do something, it's just crazy. It's a bullshit, invalid excuse. Pardon my French, but I tell it like it is. So in your bonuses section here, first thing is first, like all videos, all training sections here, you got the overview. going to explain how to take advantage of these bonuses. So let me dive into them. First things first, we have a weekly training series, okay? This is a live weekly training series that we do inside of our Facebook group. But for whatever reason, if you can't catch the lives and, you obviously with the Facebook group, we're posting in there every single day. So the live videos are kind of in the shuffle, in the mix of the Facebook timeline there. But if you want access to those, you literally just go right here to your app, or you go right here to your team training site, and all of our training replays are right here. It's going to take you to our full list, and you can stay in the know all the time. Okay. So, and again, we train live 5 times a week. So you want support, you want to get your questions answered, you want to be surrounded by like-minded, driven individuals like you and I here watching this video, and you want to be in proximity to those people that want to win. Live training 5 times per week, my friend. We got you taken care of, okay? Now, we also did a 10-part training series to help you understand everything that you're going to be going through, okay? This is an additional training to all the step-by-step training right here, okay? This 10-part training series is basically going to walk you through everything. It's just going to show you a slightly different way of doing it, another viewpoint, another way to go get very similar training, but just to make sure that as you're going through this team training site, you don't miss any steps. It's basically like a checklist, like a 10-part checklist to make sure that you are up to speed, up to par. You have all the information that you need to get out there and go crush it online, okay? Now, the team rotator, okay? This right here is where we start marketing for you. Yes, we start marketing your business for you. So anybody can get into the team rotator. Doesn't matter what level you join at. And you go and you plug in, and we're going to start driving traffic. And by the way, this information right here was covered in the very first video. We drive hundreds of dollars per week. We go pay for advertising online, and we drive it to the sales rotator. You put your link in the sales rotator. We're driving traffic to your link for you. We pay the expense so you don't have to, okay? It's a very cool thing that we do, and not a lot of other people do that, okay? So now let's get into some of the courses, okay? These are free courses that you get access to. Social Mastery Blueprint, you could literally go look it up, okay? You would pay $700 retail for this course if you were to go out and buy this on your own. It's built into our training site here. It's yours absolutely free just for getting started. Again, right now, literally less than $10 to get started, and you get a $700 course here free, okay? Again, you can go look it up online, retail. $699 retail, or $700, let's call it. You get that absolutely free when you get started. This course is going to teach you everything you need to know how to grow, scale, and monetize on platforms like Facebook and TikTok, okay? And again, just so many hours of training to help you get even better at your online business, okay? YouTube University, same exact thing. You can go look this up. This one's actually on my website. You can go look it up. This is a $500 course. I charge this retail on the side. You become part of my team. You click the link in the description down below. You get started. You literally pay, at the time of this video, less than $10 to get started. You're going to get this course absolutely free. This is going to teach you everything you need to know about YouTube, how to grow, scale, and monetize on YouTube. Everything from thumbnails to the description to your tags to SEO. All of that is covered inside of this training. So you could either go pay $500 for it. I would appreciate that, but you don't need to. You can just get started for less than $10 and get free access to this, okay? That's in your bonuses section as well. Scalability Pro, this is another course. This course literally retails for $997. So let's just call that $1,000. This course will teach you how to grow and scale any online business to a 5-figure monthly income. Proven documentation all throughout the course on exactly what to do and how to do it, okay? And again, you could go buy this course on your own, pay $1,000 for it, and still have great training, or you could hit the link in the description down below for less than $10 and get access to this. What do you want to do? Do you want to get access to a proven and documented course that can teach you how to grow and scale and have a 5-figure online business? Do you want that for less than $10? Or do you want to go pay $1,000 for that? Your choice. Okay. But that course will show you how to do that. Now, the reason why the course isn't here, just so you know, whether you click on YouTube University or whether you click on Social Mastery Blueprint or Scalability Pro, what we have here, this button goes to the actual course link itself. So we're taking you from our team training site into the direct course. It doesn't go to like a YouTube playlist or a YouTube video. It goes into the direct course. So you're actually going to go as if you bought it yourself, and you're going to create your own account, and you can access that course whenever you want to. So you're going to go sign up and create a username and password for the course itself on all three of the courses I just mentioned. Okay, so another great bonus for you. Mindset Mastery. This is going to help you understand multiple concepts. So, and I'm going to tell you this right now. And I know a lot of people, when they get started making money online, they want to know, they're looking for the button to push. What button do I push to make money online? But I'm going to give you a big hint and a clue here and tell you the number one most important thing for your success in the long run is your mindset and your attitude. Mindset is critical and crucial for your long-term success. Because end of story, if your mindset and your attitude sucks, you're going to quit. You're going to give up. And you're probably going to blame the finger at somebody else. You're probably going to point the finger at someone else and say, oh, it's the funnels, it's Daniel, it's the funnel team, it's this, it's that, something other than you. And that has nothing to do with me or us or what we're doing or whatever businesses you've been in. It has everything to do with your outlook and your attitude. So if you want to succeed in the long term, you have to have the right positive mindset, or else it's only a matter of time before you give up and quit on yourself. And that's really what you're doing here. And that's why having these mindset videos in here is absolutely crucial for your success. Do not take this stuff lightly. I'm telling you right now. There's a reason, I know it's tough to see, but there's a reason why I have all these books on my bookshelf behind me. And I've read all of them. They're not just there because they look cool. I've actually read them. And there's a reason why I've been successful for almost 8 years in this industry. It's the mindset and the attitude and the positive outlook as to where you're going. If you don't have that, the good news is you can build that. You can strengthen that. You can work on that. But I'm telling you right now, if you don't, it's just a matter of time. It's a matter of time before you give up and quit. That's all it is. And that's why mindset's so important. Anyway, off my soapbox now. Lastly, in your bonuses section, we have the Craigslist posting software. So for those of you guys that like to run paid ads, those of you guys that like to do a little, different types of advertising, right? Craigslist is such a hot button right now. It is driving massive amounts of leads and sales to our team. And there's a very specific way to post, and there's a very specific way to run your ads. And this posting software is going to allow you to run multiple ads at once without getting your ads shut down. Now, if you're familiar with Craigslist and posting on Craigslist and running ads on Craigslist, you know that it can be tricky having too many ads at once. This software here is going to help you do that, and it's going to help you navigate that process so you can have multiple ads at once without worrying about your ads getting shut down. Again, covered in the first video, this posting software retails for $500. This is a custom-built software so you can advertise the right way. If you were to buy this software on your own, you'd be spending literally $497 for it. When you get started, link in the description, less than $10. You get the software absolutely free. Okay. So those are your bonuses, my friend. And that is the conclusion of walking you through the team training site, my friend. It's everything you need to get out there and go crush it online. Literally thousands and thousands of dollars in free value just for activating your business and getting started. Trust me when I tell you this, my friend, everyone starts at zero. It's up to you if you want to stay there. If you want to stay stuck, stay broke, stay struggling, stay not getting results, you could do that. Just remember, that's your choice. Deciding not to move forward, you're making a choice. You're choosing not to have success. You're choosing not to learn and increase your skills and increase that growth and increase that mindset and increase putting more money in your bank account. We're going to show you step by step exactly how to do it so you don't have to stay stuck. You can follow this proven and documented system and you can get results as long as you stay plugged in, you do the work, and you keep moving forward. I really appreciate you watching this training series, my friend. Thank you for being here. If you made it to this point in the video, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, and also ring that bell icon and get notified anytime I upload new content here to the channel. You will be the first to know. So at this point, my friend, if you have not gotten started, open up those description notes down below, get yourself started, and I will see you on the inside in just a few minutes. Take care.